Hey everyone, I'm running Anthony's Mini for Fantastic 445. Just get a timestamp. Time is 9:08 on the 6th of October, and current time in Perth is just ticked over to 9:09, Thursday 6th of October. Got 190 spots, I think it was. Tim at 190, and at Rumble 1 we've got Garth. I've done the list. One is Garth, all the way down to 190, which is Tim, and a 3 dice roll. 6, 12, 13, 14, 15. Alright, good luck everyone. 2, 3, 4, 5, long list, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 times, 6, 12, plus 3 is 15, 2 more to go. Second last one. Last one, good luck everyone. Top 4 win and get spots in the main. Right, 15 times 6, 12, 13, 15. Let's have a look. Top 4 winners. Let's have a look who's got those top 4 spots. And you can update this and someone can run it tomorrow. 5, 4 is Neville. 3 is Tim, 2 is Justin, and 1 is Rudolfo. Congrats, guys. Double check that 190 items, top 4 there. 15 times 6, 12, 13, 14, 15. And timestamp is 9/11. 9/11. Thanks everyone.